Yes, Aiden, finally.
Hey bro, how you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Good to see you again. It's been a while.
Yeah, long time since I've seen you.
I haven't
Still
heard your voice
going.
in too long, man.
So I've got a question. So what I do, I find a trending news script because it goes with my channel, and I change it in ChatGPT,
Hmm.
and then I use 11 Labs for the voiceover. But
Right.
with ChatGPT, I find that it likes to wander a little bit. Do you know
Mhm.
any sort of
Yeah.
tricks to stop it wandering onto useless information?
Yeah, I would keep the paragraphs short. So not put like a 500 or 1,000 word script in there at once,
Yeah.
but like do shorter paragraphs. Usually then it's more accurate. That's also when I do use ChatGPT for script writing, like ask it like, let's say you're making a top 10 video, for example, and you have 10 bullet lists, right? Then I would use one bullet per question you ask ChatGPT to write about. So like 300 to 500 words at once or even less.
Yeah, yeah. Oh no, that makes sense.
That what you can also do, Aiden, is do you know Quilbot?
Yeah, I use that too.
Yeah, so you can get a subscription like $4 or $5 a month to Quilbot. You can put a whole script in there and then it paraphrases the script. Sort of the same as ChatGPT, but yeah, it's just another option. I kind of like Quilbot to use paraphrasing for.
Yeah, I usually run it through Quilbot after ChatGPT
Yeah,
just in case it comes flags up on anything as being
yeah,
AI written.
yeah, exactly. For anyone in the chat wanting to like use ChatGPT or Quillbot in the tools and resources section of the classrooms, I like ChatGPT is free, Quillbot is paid, but I have a discount code for Quillbot. So if you want to get that for paraphrasing your scripts, then you can use that code if you want to get an account to it. But yeah, for the AI scripts, I would just always recommend keep it as short as possible and as accurate as possible when asking questions, because it's not super well done yet. Or like you said, like it can drift off into other stories or just abruptly stop in the middle of a sentence or something, right?
Yeah, it's really annoying sometimes.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. You should just always. It's the same with Quillbot, man. Like sometimes they just forget sentences or do bad punctuation or just stop in the middle of a sentence. So you should always proofread your scripts when using the AI still, for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Casper.
No worries, man. Thanks for the question, Aiden. If you have anything else, you can let me know now, man.
Cheers, mate. I think I'm good for now.